Yeah! This is gonna be a great day, man.
Oh yeah.
We are going on a boat around Ticao Island.
Finally.
Finally.
Weather.
Come on, son, come on. Yeah, man. Oh, oh. Come on, son. Dad, you watch your camera. They said that, that's why. Oh man, the boys are back on the boat, yes! So we are taking this boat probably for around 2 hours all the way across to the other side of Ticao Island. We're in search of a giant, unique waterfall. Bring it on. That is one of the most impressive sights I've ever experienced on a boat in the Philippines. Catandayagan Falls, 2 hours around the coast, beautiful, and then this thing just reveals itself. You can bet that all of us are swimming up to that thing. Are you gonna go with? Look at the birds, man! Look at the birds! Oh my god. Catandayagan Falls, Montreal, Tico! Masbate! Woo! Look at birds here! Thank you for the rain. Perfect timing, man. Man. Unreal. Well, rain is a blessing! Woo! Mike, what are you gonna do, bro?
I'm gonna go to the top. No, not the top, it's too high. In the cave first.
Oh my gosh, guys! We're in a cave in a waterfall flowing into the ocean, man! Oh my god! Oh my god! Honestly, Siloy, what's up?
Honestly, I thought this waterfall would be like maybe 10 foot, a little river going into the ocean. It would be cool, right? But seeing this going around the corner and it's like huge.
Unreal, though.
I was very, very good. Can you do it again? Yeah. Maybe.
Alright, I want to introduce you to the boys. These are the ship guys, the legends. This is Master Jojo here. He's the captain. Ano pangalan ng crew? Ano pangalan mo? Luna, ikaw. Aaron, ikaw. Okay. Always thank your boatman. These guys are the ones who bring you here. So I just want to say maraming salamat. And saan ka nakatira? Dito sa Tico?
Yes. Ticao.
Ticao? Pero marunong Tagalog?
Yes.
Gamay Bisaya?
Gamay
Pero
Bisaya.
ano language dito?
Is Masbateño.
Masbateño.
Yes.
How do you say like good day? Like magandang araw sa Masbateño?
Maayong aga.
Maayong aga.
O maayong adlaw.
Maayong adlaw. So it's like a mix of Hiligaynon and Bisaya. So maayong aga, maayong adlaw. Salamat guys. Salamat. Thank you.
Go Wakyang.
Nature at its best. We are arriving at Halea Nature Park. The limestone cliffs, the beaches, and the turquoise water. This is gonna be beautiful. Look at this. This is unbelievable.
Uwi na! Uwi na!
What's the pangalan ng Baguio?
Soy.
Tisoy. So this area was hit by Tisoy. If you remember when we were in Marinduque in December, typhoon came through here and unfortunately took out some of the cottages, and you can see the damage on the coconut trees. But all the more reason to come here and adventure and support the local community by giving back and you know, paying for everything and having a good time. Wow. Well, this is absolutely beyond stunning, and I'm getting in the water because I'm watching Finn swim in there and it looks so clear and beautiful. It looks like there's a lot of life. Let's go find out. unbelievable. It's just a jungle of corals. And then when you come out here, it's so clear. I'm just like, oh my gosh, fish swim up to you. What do you say? I mean, every fish you can imagine is in this water. Some of the guys even saw baby sharks. I'm just so stunned. Masbate has this incredible island, Ticao Island, and you gotta come here. You really do, because once you get in the water here as well, you're not gonna want to leave. This is incredible. Hold up.
There's no girls around, so I don't know what they're fighting about.
Okay.
Challenge each other for a female.
Hold up, hold up.
It's the dog.
The wildebeest.
Okay, Mike, introduce what's happening.
There is a territory dispute.
Okay.
They both claim different areas of the beach. Dan thinks there's treasure underneath the anchor, so he's fighting Sam to get access to the anchor.
Yeah.
All right.
What's wrestling?
Kumar's the observer.
Oldest sports in the world.
Da, 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 da. Dan Dan Soy versus Siloy.
Wait. Oscar, stay around here.
The two alpha males of the beach. Who do you think's gonna win?
I don't know.
Get him, Siloy! Get him! Go Dan Dan Soy! Oh man!
How do you score a point? Shoulders on the ground?
Yeah. All right.
Okay, let's do it.
Dan Dan Soy, bit, kulas. We're going up there.
We're going up the mountain.
Going up the mountain.
Going up.
The boys are going for a little adventure.
A wee adventure.
It's beautiful, amazing with good Irish accent.
You know, we like to explore. So we got bare feet. We're going up.
There is baby sharks in there, by the way.
Are you wearing chanelas?
What?
We're going up here.
Yeah, I'm wearing chanelas. Oh, this is a bit of a...
Ow. Brett.
Yeah, it's a kind
Yeah.
of... Yeah,
I'm gonna go put chanelas on.
Looks a bit thick. Oh, no, I went.
All right, I'm back with chanelas. Dan Dan Soy, what did you do?
Watch out for those spikes.
Watch over the spikes. Okay, watch over the spikes.
So this is a ruined...
Okay, this is where it's gonna get a bit sad. Typhoon Tisoy back in December when we were in Marinduque came through here, and obviously it destroyed this, so bummer.
That's crazy, are you serious?
Yeah, somebody's house.
This was just destroyed?
Yeah, December. That's a bummer. So this obviously used to be a structure or a house. That's a shame. Look at the beautiful cove over there though, man. Wow. Incredible coves in these islands here. You can only imagine this would have been incredible. Like this would have been a beautiful house to have, eh? It's a bummer. I feel whoever this happened to, I'm sorry, man. It's really a bummer. Typhoons are strong.
Imagine what this looks like.
Yeah.
So sad.
Thank you, Kuya. That's a wrap, guys. What a beautiful place. Unreal. I think a storm is blowing in, but we're gonna go and head back and yeah, just sit on this boat and reflect on how beautiful Masbate, Ticao, and Halea is. So see you back on the mainland there.